This is it. Over the last 3 videos, we have built an incredibly powerful entry system from the ground up, using 100% free tools. We know how to define the trend. We know how to find the perfect entry signal. And we know how to confirm that signal to avoid fake-outs. But a professional trader knows that a great entry is completely useless without a great exit. Today, we complete the system. We are going to answer the 2 most important questions in any trade. Where do I take my loss? And where do I take my profit? By the end of this video, you will have a complete, objective, rule-based trading system from start to finish.
If you're aiming to maximize profits with a powerful trading strategy, especially on short time frames, then choosing the right broker makes all the difference. That's why I personally recommend Market 101. Why Market 101 first? Ultra-low spreads, keep more of your profits. Second, lightning-fast execution, enter. And exit trades without delays. Third, negative balance protection. Your account can't go below 0. Fourth, secure link protection, trade confidently and safely. Fifth, max leverage options, amplify your potential gains. Sixth, multiple payment methods, fast and flexible deposits, withdrawals, exclusive offer, just for you. Sign up today using my exclusive link in the description and get a 100% deposit bonus.
And you will get 20% tradable bonus. It's very helpful to your trading.
That right double your trading capital right from the start. You'll also unlock pro-level trading tools, in-depth educational resources, personalized support from real trading experts. Click the link in the description. Join Market 101 and claim your bonus now.
You will get to see a new advanced platform MTX4, and you can use 1000x leverage. And this broker is work all over the world, includes US. Want to copy my trades exactly? Just open an account using the broker link in the description. Once you're done, send me a screenshot on Telegram, and I'll add you to my private Signal group, where you can follow every trade I take, step by step. This is not financial advice. Always trade at your own risk. Why is setting a stop loss so hard? It's pure emotion. You either set it too tight based on fear and get stopped out by normal market noise, or you set it too wide based on hope and end up taking a massive account-damaging loss. We need to remove emotion and use data. We need a tool that tells us how much breathing room the market needs. We need a ruler, not a crystal ball, and that ruler is called the average true range, or ATR. Let's add it to our chart. Go to the Indicators tab one last time. In the search box, type average true range. The first one that appears is the standard built-in indicator we want. Click to add it. You'll see this line in the bottom panel. This line represents the average range, in points or dollars, that the asset has been moving over the last 14 periods. If the ATR line is high, it means the market is volatile, and we need to give our trades more space. If the ATR line is low, the market is quiet, and we can use tighter stops. It automatically adapts to the market's current condition. This is how we build a logical, non-emotional exit plan. Here is how we use the ATR to create our complete exit system. The stop-loss rule. We will place our stop-loss at a multiple of the current ATR value. I recommend using 1.5 times the ATR. This places our stop outside the market's normal noise, protecting us from getting stopped out prematurely. The take-profit rule. We must have a good risk-to-reward ratio. We will set our take-profit target at 3 times the ATR value. This means for every dollar we risk, we are aiming to make $2. This is a 1-to-2 risk-reward ratio, the minimum for professional trading. That's it, a simple data-driven exit plan. Now, let's put it all together, the moment you've been waiting for. Okay, let's walk through an A-plus trade from start to finish using all 4 of our indicators. Here is our checklist. Step 1, trend. Is the whole moving average green? Yes, it is. Our bias is for buying. Step 2, signal. Do we get a stock RSI crossover from the oversold area? Yes, right here. We have a valid entry signal. Step 3, confirmation. Where is this signal occurring? We look at our volume profile. It's happening right on a strong volume support shelf, well below the point of control. We have a clear path upwards. This is a high probability setup. Okay, we are taking this trade. I am entering right now. Now for our exits. We look down at our ATR indicator. At the moment of our entry, the ATR value is, let's say, 5 points. Step 4, stop loss. We calculate 1.5 times the ATR, so 1.5 times 5 is 7.5 points. I will place my stop loss 7.5 points below my entry price. Step 5. Take profit. We calculate 3 times the ATR, so 3 times 5 is 15 points. I will place my take profit target 15 points above my entry price. And now, we do nothing. We let the system do the work. Our exits are set, our emotions are in check. And boom, target hit. A perfect textbook trade managed entirely by our rule-based system. Congratulations! You have just learned and built a complete trading system from entry to exit for free. You have the HMA for trend, the stock RSI for the signal, the VPVR for confirmation, and the ATR for your exits. You now have a trading plan that is more robust than what 90% of beginner traders use. Your job now is to practice. Go back in time on your charts and backtest this system. Open a free paper trading account and test it in real time. Get confident with your rules. This system is your foundation. You can be proud of what you've built. If this playlist has helped you become a more confident trader, the single best way to say thank you is to hit that like button and, most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Now that you have the system, my future videos will be focused on live trade breakdowns and advanced techniques to make this system even better.